By the end of the video, we'll know HIIT like a pro. Insider secrets for optimal performance. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training HIIT and exploring some insider secrets to help you perform at your best. Firstly, let's define HIIT. It's a workout that switches between intense bursts of activity and brief periods of rest or lower intensity exercise. The key to success is to push yourself during the intense intervals, but then allow your body to recover during the rest periods. Now, on to the insider secrets. 1. Start with a warm-up. Warming up before a HIIT session is crucial. It prepares your body for the intense workout ahead and helps prevent injuries. 2. Focus on form. During HIIT, it's easy to overlook proper form in favor of speed. Always prioritize good form to avoid injuries and maximize results. 3. Mix it up. Vary your exercises for optimal results and to prevent boredom. This is crucial for muscle development and overall fitness improvement. 4. Adjust intensity. Don't be afraid to adapt intensity levels as you progress through your routine or as you gain fitness. This will help maintain challenge and progression in your workouts. 5. Rest is essential. Recovery time between intervals is just as important as the intervals themselves. Allow your body time to recover and rebuild before starting another intense interval, especially if you're just starting out with HIIT training. Remember, consistency is key. So keep pushing yourself and embracing these insider secrets for optimal performance in your HIIT workouts. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and insights. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.